makakain, tsaka sarap talaga. Walang trusted dito.
What's up, guys? So, it's 2025. Happy New Year!
What's up, party people?
Alright, guys, so it's New Year's Eve right now. So, it's December 31. And how many minutes before New Year?
17 minutes and 19 seconds.
Anong ganap natin yan?
We're just gonna eat like dinner, and then we're also gonna like do a countdown, and we're also make fireworks, and then Lucy's, and just a normal New Year stuff.
Are you excited for New Year?
Yes!
Hello, si Starkey nagtatago. You afraid of the fireworks? Mga aso talagang natakot sila sa fireworks. So. Let's go! It's New Year, boy! Let's welcome it together, yo! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Okay, Stang is up! Saya naman, sayang ang bilhin natin! Happy New Year! Grabe! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Alright, it's 2025 and now we're gonna start to eat para sabay-sabay kami lagi kakain.
First meal of January. Of the January!
Yes! First meal of 2025!
Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground.
Now, actually, we tried to take a photo and we tried remaking this photo of ours, of the family. It's an old photo. It's an old photo, that one. There you go.
Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
Let's go. Let's not. That's hot. Let's go. Let's not. That's hot.
And since it's New Year, and it's the first vlog of the year, we're welcoming 2025 with a bear!
If you guys can remember, we celebrated like entering the New Year's last year with a silog party, with a ihaw party and all that. And this time, we're gonna celebrate it by throwing a Filipino fiesta! So guys, ngayon, it's time to set up. We've invited lots of guests to come here today, so let's go! Alright guys, so meron tayong banderitas dito. So usually pagka may fiesta, meron dapat ganito. Kasi that's a sign of, you know, celebration, happiness and all that. So let's set this up.
Ay, el ritmo ay pagosar.
So meron tayong dito pabitin para sa games mamaya. Magpapabitin tayo ng mga kung ano-ano. Ito lalagay yata yung mga New Year's resolution na ano eh, dapat gawin ng isang tao makakabunot. Tapos may mga prize ganun. Tapos meron tayo dito ang palayok. Classic fiesta sa mga Pinoy. Sisirain natin yan. May mga laman yan mamaya.
Ano pangampas?
Chopstick.
It's very iconic pag may fiesta or birthday, and that is hot dog with marshmallow. My hands are clean, I swear. And after that, itutusok siya sa repolyo.
Yan.
Ang galing!
Rosita, cuando tú bailas, cuando ella baila al ritmo de tambor. Oye mi Rosita, cuando tú bailas, cuando ella goza lo hace con amor. Oye mi Rosita, vente a bailar, con amor.
Ang aming fiesta setup for 2025. Alright guys, so nandito ang ating fiesta na mga pagkain. Ganito yung mga handa lagi sa mga Filipino fiesta. So meron tayong first of all
Barbecue!
alright, ito, meron tayo ditong alright, ito, meron tayong spaghetti,
Perfect!
pansit bihon,
Gucci!
Gucci, ito, puto, ito,
Lumpia!
Shanghai,
Chicken!
at saka meron tayong marshmallow and hotdog.
Happy New Year!
Alright guys, so since ready na ang ating fiesta food, isa na lang ang kulang. Tawagin natin ang ating mga bisita.
I don't know what I'm eating, but it smells good.
Magandang angle, yung right side ko.
Guys, kamusta naman yung food? Out of all the fiesta food, ano yung pinaka-nagustuhan mo?
Pinakamasarap yung Shanghai kasi Diyos ko po! Diyos ko po!
Pansit sisig kasi first time ko makakain tsaka sarap talaga.
Puto, syempre.
Pansit sisig din.
Ako, may sobrang
BBQ!
Fried chicken.
Pancit sisig. Ako nakalimutan ko, sobrang sarap eh.
Yung puto, favorite ko.
Hotdog din eh.
The one that sounds like a bad word.
Puto!
Yeah, right! Ako, favorite ko is yung palabok, as always.
Same. Palabok.
Now,
Uwian na.
it's time para sa fiesta game. Alright, so our first game is called the Pukpok Palayok. So basically, ang gagawin nyo lang is pupukpukin nyo yung palayok, and then kung ano man yung laman nun, yung prize nun is sa inyo. So naka-block out tayo lahat. Okay, tara.
Ang una natin pupapukin, si Ate Seiya. Ay, baliktad pala. 1, 2, 4.
Okay, labay na yan. Ay, nailo ko.
Boss, diretso! Palok! Wag, saka ka makinig, boss. Wag, sabihin mo konti. Sa kabila. Yan, diretso. Yan, diretso. Palok! Ay! Palo, bro! Uy, sayang! Diretso muna, wag, konting time. Diretso lang. Huwag mo papagilin eh. Konting right. Hindi, wag yan. Diretso yan ha. Dapat dito na dito.
Ano yun?
All the hype for nothing.
Konting right. Yan, diretso muna. Masyadong mababay.
Pinigil ko sa first man. Palo. Left pa. Forward. Pachoy na lang. mo dapat. Diretso pa. Left. Diretso. Ayan, diretso pa konti. Diretso pa.
Walang trusted dito.
Yan, diretso. Lakas. Saan mo ha? Diretso lang. Konti lang.
Kaloyin eh.
Diyos ka po!
Okay. Okay na. Ayan, ito yung gitnaan.
Kaliwa! Wag dito, kami yan! Harap! Sayaw! Lakas! Wow! Sayaw!
Alright, so si Aya Nia ang nakabasa. Congrats! Meron kang cash prize. Okay?
Wow!
Alright guys, so kakatapos lang natin sa first Fiesta game. Now we're on to the second one. And this second game is called the Hanapan ng Piso. Alright guys, so basically itong game na to is hanapin nyo lang yung piso dun sa plate na full of powder. Alright, so all you need to do here is get as much coins as you can. Okay? Now!
Ang hirap!
Okay. So, okay.
Chin, Yanni! Chin!
Okay lang!
5, 4, wala na. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so ang counting ay ito, official is ilan yan?
11!
And this one is 10.
This is the party that my mom warned me about.
Alright guys, since it's Fiesta, meron tayong sorbetes ice cream. Sorbetes break muna tayo. Now it's time to go back to the Fiesta games. This is the last one, which is the Pawitin. So meron tayong mga ampaw dito. Meron niyang laman na New Year's resolution. Yung New Year's resolution, babasahin yun kung ano yun ha. Yan yung mantra nyo, goal, manifestation. Oy, wait ka lang. Okay, so mauna si Nat, tapos girls, tapos boys. Get one.
Joshua naman! Babaan mo naman, Ben! Joshua! Oh, yung taas! Sobrang taas!
Sinasabay mo yung talo sa pag-angat eh. Pag-aangat yun, saka sa tatalo.
2, 1, go!
Yes, ang magado.
Bravo, Josh!
Ang galing sumungkit ah.
Wala na, magkaaway na sila. So ngayon, babasahin natin kung ano yung New Year's resolution niya.
Ang New Year's resolution ko ay Diyos ko po! More nature trips!
Good health.
Meet more friends!
Yeah!
Sleep earlier.
Ano?
Sleep earlier.
Jowa, please, and the rider.
Ano daw?
More travel.
Wow, traveler.
Better time management. This is not mine. This is Kuya.
Okay, go.
New sport. Exercise. Dalawa akin.
Yan, dalawa.
What you do? Healthier food. Watch more movies. Ewan ko.
Be more physically active. Mag-gym na daw ako.
Travel from Mindoro. Ano ibig sabihin ito?
Basahin mo,
Basahin mo! Hindi, ito.
Oo nga, basahin mo.
Ano nga to PPP?
Dahil dyan!
Dahil dyan! Ito na ang PPP mo.
Oy, para sa hindi nagbabakasyon. Go to the beach. Tama mo ako. Ito, Jonel. Jowa. Jowa daw, jowa.
Jowa, hoy.
Nakatupat na agad!
Discover upcoming.
Magiging artista ka!
Sa akin, more work, more racket. Guys, yun yung mga nakuha nyo. Sana matupad yung mga nakuha nyong New Year's resolution.
And yung mga iba pang New Year's resolution nyo.
So, ito yung ating fiesta to welcome 2025. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And once again, Happy New Year!
Simula ngayon, matutulog na ako ng maaga.
Filipino Fiesta! Ay, sorry. Hey! Hey! Galing!
Tumunog.
Alright!